friends, welcome to KG Shisha. You can see a Rubik's Cube in my hand. So today I am going to teach you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I just learned it some time ago. So let's begin. Before beginning, we will have to learn the colors and the parts of the 2x2 Rubik's Cube that will help us solve the cube. So first we'll start with the colors. So the first color will be white. And on the opposite of white, we will have yellow always. Then red. On red's opposite side, we will have orange always. And blue. On blue's opposite side, we will have green always. So these are the fixed color in a 2x2 cube. Now we talk about the parts. There are only corner pieces. See, a corner piece, a corner piece, a corner piece, a corner piece. And each corner piece has two colors. See, red and blue, blue and orange, orange and green, green and red. So you saw it. And now we'll move on to solving the cube. So first we'll shuffle the cube. And if you all know how to solve a 2x2 cube, still this will be an easy method and you can teach anybody using this method. So see friends, I have scrambled my cube. And now I'll take any one side that has one piece of white. Solving white is more easier, I say, but you can take any color, it's on you. But I always prefer white. So now I'll check the corner. I told you each corner has two colors. So this has red and green. So now we'll find a corner piece that has red and green. This has blue and orange. This has blue and red. See, this one has blue and red, and we have the option of red. So now see, friends, this is on the bottom side. So now what we will do is we'll take it on the place we want it. See, right there. And now we'll take that side down. Turn it twice. And now take that side up. So friends, you can see now we have took it right here, and now we'll place it on the place. To place it on the place, take it on the edge side, take the side down, take it back and take it up. So see friends, we have completed one column wide, and now we can take a blue edge piece color. So see, we have a blue here, so it will just match like this. So down, up, side, up. So you can see we have made the second, and now the last piece is left and it's on the top friends. So now we'll take this down. Take it on the layer. See, this is a layer we took down now. So take it down, take it onto the layer and then take it up back. So now you can see we got it inside the place and apply it up. So friends, you can see we have completed our first layer. Now friends, from the second step we will need some formulas. So for the formulas, there are some letters in cubic language. So let's begin. R. R is right side up and RI is right side down. Friends, this is R and RI. Now we'll move on to the next. LI is left side up. LI is left side up and L is left side down. So friends, this was LI and L. Now we will move on to the next, that is U and UI. So U is the upper column onto your left side like this, and UI is the upper column onto your right side. So now friends, we will move on to the next, F and FI. So friends, FI is front side onto the left and F is front side onto the right. So friends, now we have got it F and FI. I'll explain it again. FI is front onto the left and F is front onto the right. So friends, now we'll move on to the most rarely used letter, that is B and BI. So B is your back column. In F we use a front column. Now in B we are going to use our back column. So B is back side onto the left and BI is back side onto the right. So okay friends, we have understood the letters, and now we will move on to completing our next step. So friends, our next step will be yellow. So white on the bottom. So white's opposite is yellow, and it doesn't matter that you have to take a piece that is yellow only. If the top of the white you have solved doesn't have yellow, it still doesn't matter. So I'll hold it any direction you want to, you can hold it. And now if it's empty, and now perform this basic algorithm. R U R I U R U U and R I. So see friends, I have got one block onto the top, and as you can see, I didn't break the first layer. So friends, this was the first scenario. You can get many types of scenarios, like only a yellow piece here, no yellow piece here. So that time you hold it like this and perform the same algorithm. And then the third can be a yellow piece here and a yellow piece here, perform the same algorithm. And the last can be two yellows like this and two yellows like this. So like this it can come. So two yellows on the top. So now friends, I have this kind of scenario. So when it's like this one piece, you keep the piece on your left side and perform the algorithm. And when it's two on the top, you hold it like this and perform the algorithm. So I have with the single piece. So then I'll use the algorithm like this. R U R I U R U U R I. So see friends, I have completed it, and for some reason my whole cube is get complete. But friends, it's not compulsory. I'll show you the stage that can come. So see friends, this stage can come up here, that one color will get solved, but the rest of the colors will be unsolved. So what do you do in this? There is a basic last algorithm, but if there is no color solved, you will have to perform this algorithm twice. And if there is a color solved, you will perform this algorithm once. So now friends, let's move on to the algorithm. And first, if your color is solved, keep it facing onto your back side like I am, and now perform this algorithm. E R I F I R I B B R F I R I B B R R U I. So see friends, you can complete the cube using this basic algorithm. I'll again show you the algorithm. So see friends, I have again the same scenario. I'll just show you the second scenario, so you'll just understand. So but friends, I did it, I just performed the algorithm, so I just completed this. But I'll just show you the algorithm again. So see friends, again R I F I R I B B R F I R I B B R R U I. So see friends, you didn't break any layer and you have completed your 2x2 cube. So friends, thank you for watching, and if you learn this 2x2 cube, put it in the comment box, and bye.